Hi guys, just going to share a trade recap from last night's trading action on New York AM session. So I was trading NQ, took an L last night. I started on the 4 hour. So basically we were coming down. We've been bullish, so I was looking at the 4 hour fair value gap that we're coming down into. And I'll cut. I didn't expect to come down lower. I was sort of anticipating that maybe we'd come down into this gap and move higher. So cutting straight to 15-minute chart. Basically, after the London session, we come down, taking Asia's low, we taking London's low, come down into this 4 hour fair value gap. There was some news at 8:30, so I was sort of just waiting for the 8:30 news. What I was looking at was 15-minute fair value gap up in here for potential trade down through here, and then take a trade to at least up through here, targeting higher, right? So basically, what happened was cut down to the 5-minute chart, waited for news. So if we just fast forward now, and we had news come out at 8:30, and we'll just watch this price action because we're waiting for 9:30 open. So still hadn't taken these highs yet. Still hadn't taken the highs. 9:30 open, had a big move down after this little accumulation patch through here, taken London low. At this point, I was really considering, we still hadn't sort of come up and taken these highs on NQ or ES, and I thought we'd at least retrace up to here. Market does what market wants, right? So we just fast forward a little bit. I waited. We had this move up. We hadn't yet taken this liquidity. And if we just come down, after this candle here, we had created just this little 5-minute fair value gap in here. And I sort of thought, well, let's just wait and see. We either get a big candle up through here and maybe retrace back into a 5-minute to come back up higher potentially. Wait, so the price action was after we sort of come back up through here. But as it was, we came, I'm just going to now cut to the 1-minute. I was sort of waiting for internal liquidity to be swept through here. We're within the 4-hour fair value gap. We're within the 5-minute fair value gap. So I came through, waited on the 1-minute, came down. We got the internal sweep here. So I sort of figured where we were at was something like this. And I was at least going to target these highs, potentially up through here, right? And as it played out, started with one contract there, waited, thought we were going to go up, came down through here, added one more contract here, and I was just going to wait and see how it played out, and thought we'd at least come up and push up through here, and then we got booted. So that was pretty much stuck to the strategy. I mean, at the end of the day, things we could have done better would have been, in hindsight, would have been to wait. If we go back to the 5-minute, probably here where this liquidity pool was sitting above here, that would have really been, if you can see here, we hadn't actually broken structure back up on the 5 minutes. So we'd actually broken structure down through here. And we'd actually broken structure down. And then this move up hasn't actually taken size. So this taking this high and bursting through it would have actually been the break structure. So really, what we could have done better in that instance is maybe waited for the break of this. I was just really just trying to get up through here and tag this liquidity. I thought for sure we were going to get up there, but of course, we got close and we were in profit at some stage, but we didn't take it, and that's the way it goes. So the rest of the day played out. I was done trading after that, and of course we came down and eventually came back up and took it after catching everyone here, and then comes back up and takes all that out. So overall, L's and L. Takeaway lessons from it. What would you say down here? So if we're going to look at the 5-minute breaker structure, got this here. Really, this here is your breaker structure above this short-term high. We create a fair value gap, we come down, we tag it, and then we chase this up after we've taken this liquidity. So again, this is sort of beyond my trading time. So I was looking for a trade in here, didn't play out. So anyway, I hope you liked the video, guys. Hope you found it educational, and we'll be back at it again another day. Good luck.